Hello friends, do you want to learn programming languages or you are confused to which language you have to learn? I will tell you about some of the languages and best language to learn for computer and non-computer stream students. So let's go. In this video, I am going to answer some of the questions that are asked by most of the people about Python. I am going to cover what is Python, what can you do with it, and why it is so popular. In other words, what does it do that other programming languages don't? Python is the world's fastest growing and most popular programming language, not just among software engineers, but also amongst mathematicians, data analysts, some accountants, and networking engineers. Because it is a very beginner-friendly programming language, so people from different disciplines use Python for a variety of different tasks, such as data analysis and visualization, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation, etc. In fact, this is one of the big use of Python amongst people who are not software developers. If you constantly have to do boring and repetitive tasks such as copying files and folders around, renaming them, uploading them to a server, you can easily write Python script to automate all that and save your time. You can also use Python to build web, mobile and desktop applications as well as software testing or even hacking. So, Python is a multi-purpose programming language. Now, if you have some programming experience, you may say, but we can do all this stuff with other programming languages too. So, what's the big deal about Python? Here are few reasons. With Python, you can solve complex problems in less time with fewer lines of code. It is a high-level programming language, so you don't have to worry about complex tasks such as memory management like you do in C++. It is a cross-platform, which means you can build and run Python applications on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a huge community, so whenever you get stuck, there is someone out there for help. It has a large ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools, which means whatever you want to do, it is likely that someone else has done it before, because Python has been around for 20 years. So, in nutshell, Python is a multi-purpose programming language with a simple, clean, and beginner-friendly syntax. All of that means Python is just awesome. Technically, everything you can do with Python, you can do it with other programming languages too. But Python's simplicity and elegance has made it grow way more than other programming languages. That's why Python is at number 1. So, whether you are a programmer or an absolute engineer, learning Python opens up lots of job opportunities to you.